Welcome back to Aside Hot on top of the senior brother for the television stations when inside the Bodoli world, Wazobia Max UHF 57 and Wazobia TV channel 98 for GoTV. We get Oga Sunday all the way from Alakpere in the wait on top of our telephone. Oga Sunday, thank you for your patience. Welcome to Aside Hot.
Oh, thank you very much. Good morning, bros.
Good morning, Oga Sunday.
Yeah. It's sure this matter of night don't carry concern a good matter.
Thank you.
Because if you see waiting with the experience for light for this country now, most especially for this Alakpere, they're not going to give you light, oh. They're going to just bring a public. You where they stay for self-contained. You go they pay money where they say a whole compound, they pay for another place. At the end of the day, they're not going to give you light. For Alakpere, yeah, for Emmanuel Street, they're going to give people for outside, for your front, light. You were there for Emmanuel Street for Alakpere, you're not going to get light. You see the matter? So this matter of light there, now only God will intervene.
Oga Sunday from Alakpere, thank you very much for that, your important contribution. As you don't talk, say only God go intervene. We no go settle for just saying only God go intervene because God don't give us the sense when we go put into all of these things. And from the suggestions when we say our callers, they drop down. It is very evident, say Nigerians know how we go take we tackle this particular problem and solve and final.
Chukudi, basically, and that's what we also need to identify for this thing. We say, yes, we know say government on their own part get their own responsibility to play. Okay, but then we know what they say every time they blame government for everything. Make we tell ourselves some good truth. Fine, now they have their own responsibility to say they won't lay down foundations. So, okay, they won't put proper things in place to ensure that we get steady power supply. That one are their own responsibility. But we also ask ourselves certain questions. What do they also do to also at least ensure say we use the light the way we supposed to use and pay for the certain light where we do.
How you go use light where you know see? How you go pay for what you know? What you they talk?
Chukudi,
say we use light.
Hold on.
You say that the responsibility of government to ensure say light day, but we they use light where we don't see. How you go pay for light? Sunday from Alakpere they just call now say they go give people light, they don't give them, they will bring bill.
What are you saying? My point from?
You don't drive anything. You they track with this point. You are tracking with this. You are tracking with this point.
Allow me land, please.
Okay, land. Keep floating. Keep floating. You dey drive which point you say make we use so you dey blame the average Nigerian when they see light in the first place for light when no dey. No let me change this thing for you. No let me change am. I will change it for you sharp.
Thank God say Ayon Kuma dey my side. I go know tell take and use do. What I talking say Chukudi. Government on their own part supposed to play their own part by doing it, by ensuring say the proper things we supposed to provide the regular power supplies they what they know they do are accepted. But then on our own part, they need to know what they see. Don't even give that look. They need to know what they see. What we don't do.
This is where you don't. This is where you don't talk now. It's a perfect example of husband when no giving wife money to prepare soup. Come they tell her say he wants make those things when the intestine make it there inside the soup.
Chukudi, talk
how
about,
you go talk say people when supposed give us light, don't give us light. But the little way we they see.
Talk about vandalization.
The little way we they see.
Talk about vandalization.
If never bring money come, excuse me, let me lie.
The people.
If never bring money come, who they give them the instrument to the vandalized property?
Who the people say they
now how much they use the vandalized pipeline? Now how much they take the vandalized pipeline?
When they say they don't get access to.
I will change it for you.
We get any to the colors.
I will change it for you. I will change it for you.
On my side. No hard.
Good morning.
Good morning, Anytime.
I beg, and now the two I want to say this NEPA the way then they bring come. How the thing they take read.
Thank you very much.
Because if I load phone now, if I load my phone and I don't use the credit, there's no way the credit go come out.
Thank you. Ask Kubio.
But light no day, then they bring
Ask him. Oh, your answer.
For that side, I'll treat us now the corruption system.
Allow to land with the question first.
Secondly, he gets something where then they write for that bill, VAT. I've been awaiting.
VAT, valid other tax.
Stable amount. I think it's 700 or so.
Depending on your usage.
Every bill get them. What did that one they do? And now the thing they take read. Like what did this person talk from Rachel? There is one caller Rachel.
Rachel, said, yes.
From Abuja, when they stay. And in friend they stay one commercial area, then they get light. The thing where you don't know to say those commercial areas they fit their company in there. And company they pay NEPA well. Then they supply them light.
So
now the thing where I read for NEPA, any area where we say complain, like this a bit better where they tell you now. For you get some area where we say then they follow all these people where they sell turkey use line. Then they get like steady. Because those people where then they sell turkey, then they pay them money so that their market no go spoil.
Madam Editor, and that's
how the thing be like that?
Well, this
not so well. Answer your question.
If you get access to NEPA, ask them how that thing they read.
Thank you very much. Anything. Thank you very much for this your important question. Who could be over to you?
What to be anything?
Answer the two. How you they take the read? How you they take the read?
I've been NEPA for your eyes.
So now you talk say make we dey use the small one. What would they see? Would they use small one and they bring big bill? Would they use small one and they bring big bill?
But I think the small one no make no as will take it as well.
You are against the people.
I can never be against.
You are against the people.
Oga John, good morning. Calling us from Abuja.
Now, when I'm on you.
Good morning, John.
How are you now?
We agree to Oga John.
See, when I'm supposed to get a NEPA person there.
No worry, we go carry and come. We just want to hear all the things so I get to talk so that the day when you go come.
No, be there. I think so. Make you explain how this thing today.
Okay, Oga John, you
get like that. That this is not that we in Nigeria we are too soft. We know they are leaders accountable for everything when they happen.
Okay.
Now, if we dey united very well, it's just like one man been called before say, now we dey cause this thing. We get the power to remove any person that come them do anyhow. May we remove them, put people where better, then check them where. And another thing I want to talk be say, now, after the talk now, how will this thing go far now from you? What thing I go do to make say these people know? To know our complaints. Now another thing where we supposed not be saying the person go just talk. Later nothing just happen. We are looking at the same way for waiting we don't present now.
Now the way forward
protest or do everything, block everything what we do. So now they don't have money to light, no light. How things, the economy, everything go to grow. This thing is school day, everything is bounded with life in this country. Yeah,
you don't talk well. You don't talk well, and the major thing we say where they look for say how will take move forward from here because nobody just come out, come talk. At least as they have
now. Thank you, no problem. I just saw this in the investment.
Yeah, I understand. I even say from your tone. As they have now one platform we say at least where they reach out to at least people. A lot of people they watch them. Even our authorities they watch them. I don't say right as they talk right now. They hear what they talk, and they also hear the plight of Nigerians. In same vein, we don't talk say we also do it to make special arrangement. Bring one of Bonga NEPA official come here, come sit and down. Question them. Una say go get our own right to do it and throw our own question. Give them so that they will feel know as we go take answer and tell and say, see where the problem they come from. See what we supposed to do as Nigerians. See what the government supposed to do. We get Oga Matthew calling us back from Calabar. Good morning, Oga Matthew. Oga Matthew, welcome back.
Yes. I call back because of waiting some people they talk there. Now, for example, again, one of my brother we don't call from Calabar here before. So now he thought say lie the day well. Yes, good and fine. Where me I stay for where big men then they. That is why lie they here well. There are some people for Calabar side and other places they don't get like just like waiting that woman talk wake up from somewhere.
Abuja.
Yes. So now I cannot understand. A lot of people are suffering. It not be said because me I did here for state housing where big men did like they. So I would talk say like they. No. A lot of people are suffering. Let us be frank. God is God and man is man. God is going to deal with everybody. And that is what I depend on. And now again, about the NEPA bill of a thing where people they talk say, where they don't use like NEPA, they can't give them life. And they talk every time say, if you no stand for your right, there is nothing for you. Now, NEPA people no say you don't get like our own side here. There was a time where we say transformer spoil for this Calabar where they steal things from transformer. People they complain, say people go to donate money, go they buy for the company for transformer. I can't say when they reach in my own town, I will go for that NEPA office. When they reach for my own town now, I went to all the communities. All the people that are using this transformer, nobody come out with me. I went to NEPA office alone. I went there as fast. Without you standing for your right, because because if you see and say, people the kingdom of God, spread violence, and I be taken by force. So
we don't get this your point.
Yeah.
And this your biblical quote where you take cover up, but we go to insist for you say, irrespective of say you they demand for justice and you they fight for your rights. that one no be excuse for anybody to do anything with force or by violence. We go continue to dey talk. If 160 million plus Nigerians dey speak with one voice, no how, those wey dey government, they go hear am and they go do the right thing to move this our country forward. E go good make we put out some kind things. No be say government fold their arms, say they no wan do to improve power. But the question now say, if you dey use one particular method, you dey channel money wey belong to everybody inside, and we know they see improvement. You suppose look for other means wey be say you go do am to make am work. Other countries for Africa get these problems wey we also get, but they don't manage am. E get one time when we hear say Ghana celebrate 10 years of say dem get steady power supply. How dem take do am? Now some of these things we suppose check to see how we go take do am. Oga Godwin, they call us all the way from Ikorodu. Oga Godwin, welcome to Aside Hot.
Godwin, good morning.
Godwin, you there?
I dey here, Jerry.
We dey hear you, Oga Godwin.
Right on. Continue.
This na program, man. I dey enjoy am for here, man.
Thank you very much. Abeg, tell your loved ones make dem dey watch am too, the whole of Ikorodu, but make your contribution.
Yes, wetin everybody dey talk since as I dey listen to calls, man. I dey enjoy am. For my own area here, yes, actually we dey get light. But just that, how the bill take dey read, na the issue. I moved just into this area not too long ago.
Okay.
The first bill they gave me was only new inside the apartment, 3,000 plus.
Okay.
I say, okay, not too much. Now, what I just use, I just move in. A month later, 5,000 plus.
You buy air conditioner.
Which kind of meter you
Your
use?
call has been placed on hold.
Hey.
Oga Godwin, abeg, you go.
Oga Godwin, abeg, you go try call us back. It be like say your hand press the phone. Anyhow.
Another thing, just as our last caller, Oga Matthew. Another thing we say, talking about fighting for rights. You understand? Okay, before I go enter into that one, Oga Bobby, they call us for the third time. Oga Bobby, welcome back to Aside Hot. If you say this, in fact, this matter, if you say if they really move you to the point where you say you want to talk them out.
It ginger my bone, them, you know, we're supposed to not pass this stage of not to discuss this matter, rather some other things, you know. The topic when I want the point one I want to make, say why be say Nigeria there, meter go spoil, transformer go blow, then the people when inside that area
will contribute money to buy the transformer.
You understand me now?
Yes.
Then they go buy transformer enough for them to get light. Why they say NEPA they go buy to say transformer, the transformer blow, they'll go buy transformer. If the people from the area they park come out, so they wish me they go carry transformer follow body now because it belongs to them. You understand me now? Because not be NEPA get the transformer. You understand me? So I don't see what they want to say transformer go blow, then NEPA no go carry a new one can replace them. Rather than the people go contribute money to go buy. Couple for them to get light. So then you say something is going wrong. You understand me now? Things are not in position. Like one caller call, you know, federal government need to investigate all these things. Then they need to investigate the money what they spend for light during Obasanjo time, and even good luck administration and Yara do our own. We need to know what we need to. This thing it goes so deeply. It pass well, this like matter, it pass well. Because government, let me tell you something. Government, country as a country, you're supposed to know, say, by so year, the population of your citizens, they increase. So
and
by then, light or anything at all, you need to increase all those things then. So you need to find solution to the problem. So those are the things that want
to say. In fact, welcome. I mean, I say welcome. Thank you very much for this third time way they call and for also adding up to what you don't talk before on top of this matter. Now the spirit of that Nigeria, this now it make you call back for the third time. We get Oga Yusuf. Oga Yusuf, they call us from Lekki. Good morning, Yusuf. Yusuf, good morning. Okay, Ibra said Yusuf no connect. Make we do it. Make we quickly enter market, go so as market views to find out whether at least this light issue, whether they affect them for there or not. Will they come?
Welcome back to Aside Hot. From where we stand now, the final bus stop on top of this Ogbonge program, now we dey see. So today, we dey discuss the new money where they put inside light. Shey e go better. We want to assure all the people when we say they watch and all our supporters them everywhere for inside the world say everything on here on top of this program, we they articulate our thoughts, we they gather them, they put them out there. And if you think say those when we say then they leave this country or they matter for this country, they know they watch. Now very, very big mistake. It go good man will continue to they talk them. So that those when we say they leave this country, they're going to say yes, the people of Nigeria, they want better, they want more, and they need to do them. If indeed they want to make we give them all their support. Unkubi, you get one thing when we say Oga Bobby don't talk when he don't hammer on. And even Oga Matthew, different people don't talk now about citizen participation. Most times in this country, we be like say we don't reach the level when we say we just settle for any kind of suffering when we say we dey face, say na normal thing. I been not talking here before say it be like say Nigeria na the only country when we say say light no day. Based on the kind of bad things when not happen, say people chop money of light when they supposed use do and make it improve. But you go see the pray say as you they reach out, say make light day. Yes. It's very, very important. Make they point them out. Say no angel go come from heaven or no prophet go come back from the Old Testament. Can't tell us what to do. God don't bless us with the common sense to look our problem and provide solution to them. Or God will call us all the way from Amsterdam. Can't tell us the way when the thing they happen for inside the place when in they so. Investors don't come in. Government they regulate their activity. They ensure say they do what they're supposed to do. And these people get them at the back of their mind say if they don't do their work where people go sue them. For this country, make we stop to the talk say make we just live on like that. Make we they manage them. Hoping say one day it go better.
The light will probably from nowhere waka come. And they will go suddenly get time. Things that also, they work that way. And that is why they also talk and say, this will not be a period that we go say, will they pass it and say, okay, because of say this person will be the former minister of power, now my brother, and for that reason, make no problem over waiting, that is how I take run the ministry. These things are collective will. If we start to ask questions, they make demands, say, okay, government, now don't spend like trillions of naira inside this power sector since 1999 reached this period. Okay, where I channel this money to. Wait now, say I take this money to on top of power. Because it just like say the same power to the clamor for. It never changed from that period. It just like say they even get worse. But meanwhile, we don't pump in money. Okay, wait now, say in a pump and it's more scam. So we will not say yes, true, not spend money. But in a situation where we say we will not even see any iota of light or any iota of improvement for the whole money we spend, then we go home and responsible. These are moments when Nigerians supposed to do it, collectively bring their voices together and say, okay, make we even ask the right questions rather than taking sides, say, no, make we they protect selfish, make we they protect corrupt interests and all that. Make we ask the right questions. And by the time we start to ask questions, government on their own side go sit right. Go not say, okay, I'm within large these people. They don't open eyes, they don't know what in day.
You see, I happy with the way we say you take attack this particular subject.
No.
I can't wonder whether now you be the same person when we say a few moments ago, you they talk say the small light when we they see, how we they take the user.
In as much as I go they talk say, look, government on their own part never get it right. The small, as they stand on the small what they get. How we as Nigerians they take use them.
But the question when they ask you, we say that small way you they get when they come they bring bill for big bill for. How you go take
a typical example of
Rachel call us from Abuja. Tell us what they happen for. Who says he they call us back? Rachel they call us back again. Rachel, you go tell her the same thing when you talk.
No. Rachel
you go tell her the same thing when you talk.
They talk. Rachel, welcome back.
Hello, Oga Dubi.
See, not you fight. Because now you don't want to support the government.
No.
Now waiting you they try to. How you go feel? You know they use light. They give you that kind of amount. You understand? How you go feel? You know they use light. They give you that kind of amount. Imagine I go meet NEPA office for who say two. You know they tell them I go meet the Oga. And they expect to demand they read newspaper.
Can you imagine? The man they read newspaper. I don't know when I hit my hand for table like so because I'm the woman and they talk to you, you know they answer me. And this now they go back to Oga Matthew from Calabar. What Oga Matthew talk? It's not easy. If it's easy, make him come outside, make all of us follow fight this side. Because we know if they talk, well we know if they come outside they do. You understand? Okay. Rachel, thank you very much. In fact, the way you take the I say, even though you say you be woman, I give you
the responsibility of the power.
In fact, for my eye, you be man. From an hour you be man.
Charles, they call us. Charles will be man, they call us. Charles, good morning.
Wetin be Charles? Charles. Wetin be Charles?
Anyhow, Charles, good morning. Concern you.
Good morning, Kobe Achukwu.
Good morning, Gary.
When I take a meeting, I beg.
Oh, no wahala.
You get wetin Bobby talk what I like.
Okay.
Because where I come from that state, the other side of Delta Central, the Igbo speaking side.
Okay.
My thoughts like Delta State get like 3 generating power plants.
Okay.
Where me come from a natural north local government, believe me, we stay good 6 years, no get light. Okay, they got us okay. They don't privatize the light, the distribution company also okay. We go pay. I don't know what it is, some English language this. We say we go pay, so we go install some kind of transformer for us. They have feeder pillar for Ibuzo, somewhere within Ibuzo, one transmission company they just launched new. So now for there they go take generate light, they give us. Imagine, they say we go pay. We install transformer, we install everything, we pay everything. Now the other local government are not side, everybody do their own too. But could you believe you said only my local government, and not just my local government, 18 village still. We need more time get lights since December last year. Because of saying we pay, and because of the help of the local government chairman, and the way we contribute, that make us get this light. You see all these Nepal, man, no lie you. The same cabals where they manage our banking sector, our oil sector, and even our this our so-called power sector. Now then still
Oga Charles.
Oga Charles, thank you very much for this important contribution. Oga Yusuf, they call us all the way back from Lekki. Oga Yusuf, hopefully you go connect. Oga Yusuf, welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, Sugudi.
Good morning. Yes, Abel, raise your voice, may we feel hear you well.
Good morning, Sugudi.
Good morning, Oga Yusuf.
Yeah. So what do you mean I want to talk about the matter we're saying? Our government, they try. They know they have to say we know they use light. But we get our own part to play. Okay, for example, like the area that I'm living in Oworo, we don't get meter. But anytime we do meeting that we should go and meet NEPA and get meter, people go say, no, we leave them. Let us bribe them with the 500. Because if they come to call light, we don't give them 500, they will go. Some people go say, if we get meter now, we go to pay more money. But if we know they pay NEPA bill, how we go take get the light? How we go take get the light? And then another thing you say, even though if the government try to do everything where we will get light, what about people who vandalize pipes in the Niger Delta? How can we talk to them and they will stop? So we should think about all those things. So we get our own part to play. Okay, let me tell you, last time I traveled to Cotonou, I said Cotonou 3 weeks, light you don't even go. You understand me? And some of the places in Cotonou, Nigeria supply them light. So there's corruption in the NEPA problem. So the government is supposed to do something about it. There's corruption there.
Oga Yusuf, thank you very much for this, your important contribution. You don't identify major areas. Make we live on like this. One, everybody gets major responsibility to play, to use ensure, say, things when we say we go do to move our country forward, go there.
Thank you.
The greater responsibility fall on those when we say, then they control the law, and then they control everything when we compel people to do what's right. Our government people, una don't hear all the things when Nigeria get to talk. Una supposed to do wetin go move this our country forward. And Nigerians will supposed give government the support to ensure say that thing when they try do, when go move this our country forward, all of us go do it. We thank all the people who not call us on top of Aside Hot. We appreciate you now. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come out smoke. Unkubi.
Yes, until tomorrow. Una bye-bye. And we pray say at least our government go...
Tell them, bye-bye. Which one be you they pray? What do they pray for? We they talk about maybe we they find solution to problem. You don't come and don't they pray again.
Chukudi, Ezoku. I don't they threaten you.
Wetin?
This now I go burn you.
You go do wetin?
I go burn you this.
Light day. You pay your NEPA bill.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.